Dadaji, would you please tell us what is the true purpose of human life?
Before we understand the purpose of human life, we should understand a little bit about the human existence. Humans of today, the developed human beings of today, have evolved over thousands of years from a unicellular amoeba to a very complex structure of today. Therefore, we are quite developed, not just biologically, but also with our mind. The way we think, the way we understand, it's very refined as of today. Therefore, the way we look at our life and the way we run after things in our life also has changed. In the past, human beings or human life was mostly goaded by the need for sustenance, that they would go for hunting and then they would collect things which is needed to sustain themselves in day-to-day life, and that was the whole struggle all about in their life, and they were not able to think beyond that. But with the advancement of technology and the human civilization, the desire to achieve things in our life has also evolved. So our quest for something greater, something more fulfilling, has become more and more needed in the modern day life. That's a question, that what a true purpose of our life should be, has bothered a lot of people in past and also in the present today. We perform many different kinds of actions in our life, and many of them are goaded by our necessity for the body and our necessity in connection with how we live in the society. But amongst all those actions what we perform in our life, there is one particular psychology which is always existing in us. That is the quest for happiness, quest for something fulfilling, and that happiness, that fulfillment we all are looking for is of infinite magnitude, something which should never end in our life. I don't say that everyone is able to get that, but that's what everyone is looking for. Now, in that quest for happiness, that fulfillment in our life, people run after different things. And in that chase, in that running, they develop many different kinds of personality. In that quest for happiness, we have seen that a lot of people are running after material and crude objects, and they define the success or unsuccess of their life based on their material achievements. And those kind of people who I can say are physicality oriented personality, to those kind of people, how they look like, how beautiful they are, how big they are, it's all about their body, physical existence, and how they look like to the people in the society. So to them I would call of people who define success in their life of very basic category. But there are other kinds of people who are little bit more developed in their perception for success in their life. To them I call intellectual people or psychic oriented personality. And to them, these physical achievements, physical gains don't mean much. To them, what they have studied, the amount of knowledge they have, how much they can guide others, In true terms, you call them people who have learned a lot, like professors, like teachers in the society, those who have studied a lot of books and they are able to go in length on different topics and explain different things. Then there are another kind of people, the third kind of people, who think even higher than this, and they think that these intellectual pursuits are also of temporary nature, because one particular subject which human beings think that it's absolute and it changes in future, it becomes something else. Like today people think that one particular atom or molecule is the subtlest particle, tomorrow science may think that it's something else. So that perception changes every now and then. So these third kind of people think that we have to concentrate on different aspects of our life, and to them I call them psycho-spiritual oriented personality. Usually we see these kind of people who go in forests, go in deep solitude and try to meditate, contemplate and try to make meaning of their life. Now if we look at these three different kinds of personalities in the society, in my evaluation, none of them are complete. They may be successful in one particular aspect of the life, but not in all three. So a true fulfilled human life means a person who has achieved the true meaning of success in physical life, also in the psychic life, and also in spiritual life. And in my experience, in my understanding, in my realization, that should be the goal of our life, that we should be able to apply that perception of success in every aspect. We have seen people who are very good in society amongst people, but they are horrible in their family life. We have seen people who are very good in their family life, but they are not at all good in their own personal life. They don't manage their own personal life well. So a true, successful, fulfilled human being means one who has touched all these three vital aspects of the life. So this, what I would describe in short, a true purpose of human life.
Thank you.